Have you ever wondered where the things you love actually come from? Every object you touch, every snack you enjoy, and every holiday tradition you cherish has a hidden journey, one that often begins far from the shelves of your local store, that Christmas tree in your living room, or the caramel popcorn at the movies. They don't just appear, they're the result of countless steps, each one connecting people, places, and ideas across the globe. Behind every product is a story of hard work, clever machines, and a journey that starts in unexpected places. From the hands that plant seeds to the engineers who design intricate machines, it's a chain of effort and innovation. Today, we're pulling back the curtain to reveal how everyday items make their way from nature to your home. It's a process that's both fascinating and complex, involving nature, technology, and human ingenuity. We'll start in the vast pine forests, where trees provide more than just holiday cheer. They give us resin, nuts, and more. These forests are living factories, quietly producing the raw materials that become part of our daily lives. We'll meet the people who harvest these gifts, working with patience and skill in tough conditions. Their dedication ensures that the journey from forest to factory can even begin. Then, we'll head into the factory, where raw materials are transformed into the treats we love. From apples becoming pie, to the careful sorting and cleaning of ingredients, every step is essential. Watch as corn pops into crunchy snacks, and see how simple ingredients are turned into something magical through a blend of heat, timing, and expertise. Every step is a blend of science and craft. From the precision of laboratory testing to the artistry of bakers and the skill of machine operators, it's a dance of knowledge and creativity. This isn't just about manufacturing, it's a tribute to the unseen workers and the incredible processes behind the products we enjoy. Their stories are woven into every item we use, often unnoticed but always essential. So get ready to see how the world works, one product at a time. We'll explore the connections that link forests, factories, and families, and discover the marvels hidden in the everyday. From towering pine trees to warm cookies, every item has a tale to tell. The next time you enjoy a simple pleasure, you'll know there's a world of effort behind it. And trust me, it's a story worth hearing. Let's get started on this incredible journey together. The story of a Christmas tree begins long before the twinkle of holiday lights or the sound of carols in December. It starts years earlier, on a farm where rows of evergreens stretch as far as the eye can see, and where trees are carefully cultivated just like any other crop. Here, each tree is planted with hope, destined to become a cherished part of someone's holiday celebration. From the moment a tiny seedling is placed in the earth, it takes up to 15 years of patient care and attention for it to grow tall and strong enough to become the centerpiece of your holiday. Each year, the trees face the changing seasons, sun, rain, and even snow, slowly maturing under the watchful eyes of dedicated farmers. Throughout those years, farmers walk the rows, pruning branches and shaping each tree to create that perfect, classic silhouette we all recognize. This careful tending ensures that every tree is full, lush, and ready to shine in someone's living room. When the trees finally reach the right height, usually between 6 and 8 feet, the real work begins: harvesting. This is a busy, exciting time on the farm, as workers prepare to send these trees on their journey to homes across the country. Each tree is carefully cut at the base, with workers taking great care not to damage the branches or disturb the perfect shape that's taken years to achieve. It's a process that requires skill, patience, and a deep respect for the trees themselves. On larger farms, helicopters are sometimes used to lift bundles of freshly cut trees, gently carrying them over the fields. This not only protects the ground from heavy machinery, but also helps preserve the remaining crop for future holidays. After harvesting, each tree is wrapped tightly in netting by a baler. This step is crucial. It keeps the branches compact, protects the needles, and makes the trees much easier to transport, whether they're headed across town or across the country. The wrapped trees are then packed into sturdy cartons or loaded onto trucks, ready for their journey to bustling city lots, small-town markets, and neighborhood stores. Each tree travels miles to reach its final destination, carrying with it the care and dedication of everyone who helped it grow. So, the next time you wander through a Christmas tree lot, searching for that perfect tree, remember the long journey it's taken, from a tiny seedling on a quiet farm to the heart of your holiday celebration. Each tree has been nurtured, harvested, and transported by hardworking people who take pride in bringing a little bit of nature's wonder into your home. All of this effort is to bring a touch of forest magic into your living room, filling your home with the scent of pine and the spirit of the season. That's the real story behind your holiday tradition. A story of patience, care, and celebration. And it's a tradition truly worth cherishing every year. Deep in the heart of sprawling pine forests, a unique and ancient harvest is quietly underway. But this time, the goal isn't timber or firewood, it's something far more subtle and sticky: pine resin, a golden treasure hidden beneath the bark. Skilled workers, known as turpentiners, move from tree to tree, carefully slicing into the bark with practiced hands. This gentle wounding encourages the pine to release its thick, aromatic sap, a natural defense that becomes a valuable resource for people. Metal spouts are inserted into the cuts, guiding the sticky resin into collection bags that hang from the trunks. Remarkably, a single pine tree can be tapped for resin year after year, sometimes for decades, without being harmed. Every few days, turpentiners return to refresh the cuts, ensuring the sap keeps flowing. It's a delicate balance, enough to harvest, but not so much that the tree is damaged. Once the bags are full, they're gathered and loaded onto trucks, beginning the resin's journey from the quiet forest to the bustling factory floor. At the factory, the resin is heated in towering distillation columns. Here, it's carefully separated into two main products: turpentine, a clear, fragrant liquid, and gum rosin, a solid, amber-colored resin. Turpentine is condensed from vapor and collected, while gum rosin is poured into molds and cooled into solid blocks, ready for use in countless industries. Lighter grades of rosin are prized for making adhesives, varnishes, and printing inks. The darker, more robust grades find their way into rubber, industrial products, and even musical instrument bows. It's astonishing to think that so many everyday products, things we rarely consider, begin with a single sticky drip from a pine tree's bark. The process itself is a fascinating blend of old-world tradition and modern industrial science, connecting generations of workers and evolving technology. From the quiet solitude of the forest to the hum of the factory, the journey of pine resin is a hidden thread woven through our daily lives. So next time you write with a pen, bounce a rubber ball, or use a sticky note, take a moment to appreciate the pine tree's secret gift. It's resin, quietly shaping the world around us. That's the magic and mystery of pine resin, a sticky substance with the power to connect nature, tradition, and modern life. Pine nuts, those buttery kernels in your salad, have a story of patience and precision. They come from specific pine trees, and harvesting is tough work. In wild forests, harvesters gather fallen cones or climb trees to pick them by hand. On plantations, machines shake the trees, making cones rain down for collection. The cones are processed to extract the seeds, using separators and sieves to remove debris. The hard shells are cracked by dehulling machines, and only the best seeds move on. Kernels are cold-pressed to extract oil, preserving flavor and nutrition. It takes 100 kilograms of kernels to make just 65 kilograms of pine nut oil. From prickly cone to tiny nut, it's a journey of skill and care. Every pine nut on your plate is the result of careful harvesting and processing. Next time you taste one, remember the work behind it. That's the story of pine nuts. Apple pie may seem simple, but making thousands daily is a feat of engineering. It starts with mountains of apples, washed, peeled, and sliced by machines. Slices are mixed with sugar and spices for the perfect filling. Meanwhile, cold butter and flour are mixed for a flaky crust, then rolled into sheets. Dough is cut and placed in tins, filled with apple mixture, and sealed with another layer of dough. The pies travel through a massive oven, baking to golden perfection. After baking, they're cooled, packaged, and shipped to stores. Every step is precise, ensuring each pie tastes just right. From orchard to oven, it's a journey of science and tradition. The next time you enjoy a slice, remember the process behind it. Apple pie is more than comfort food. It's a marvel of modern production, and it all starts with a simple apple. Caramel popcorn's addictive crunch is all about precision. Kernels are popped under pressure, then tumbled in a drum as hot caramel is poured over them. Double coating ensures every piece is perfectly crunchy. For cookies, massive mixers blend dough, which is shaped and cut by machines. Cookies travel through long ovens, baking evenly to golden crispness. The final step for popcorn is rapid cooling, locking in the crunch. Both treats are the result of heat, motion, and a little factory magic. From simple ingredients, they become the snacks we crave. Every bite is a testament to careful engineering. Next time you snack, think of the journey from kernel or dough to finished treat. It's more than a recipe, It's a process perfected over time. That's the magic behind your favorite snacks. Fudge is a blend of science and skill. Sugar, butter, and milk are cooked to the soft ball stage, then beaten as they cool for a creamy texture. In traditional shops, the mixture is poured onto marble and folded by hand. Apple cider's journey is rustic but just as fascinating. Fresh apples are washed, ground into a mash, and pressed to extract juice. The juice is collected, and for hard cider, it's fermented for up to 3 weeks. After fermentation, cider is filtered and bottled. Both fudge and cider start with simple ingredients and end as classic treats. The process is a mix of tradition and innovation. Every batch of fudge or cider is a result of careful timing and technique. From kettle to bottle, these treats are born from timeless methods. Next time you enjoy them, remember the craft behind each bite and sip. That's the art of fudge and cider. Eggnog is a holiday favorite, made on a grand scale with culinary science. Factories crack and separate thousands of eggs, using only the rich yolks. Yolks are blended with sugar and milk, then tempered with hot milk to create a smooth base. The mixture is pasteurized for safety, then homogenized for that signature creamy texture. Rapid cooling preserves freshness, and the eggnog is packaged in sterile cartons. Every step is controlled to ensure flavor and safety. From eggs to carton, it's a journey of precision. The result is a drink that tastes like old-fashioned comfort. Next time you pour a glass, remember the science and care behind it. Eggnog's creamy richness is no accident. It's crafted with expertise. That's the story behind your holiday toast. Cheers to the process. There's more to the world around us than meets the eye. Every product, from Christmas trees to pine nuts, has a hidden story of transformation. In factories, simple ingredients become the foods we crave through engineering and teamwork. The journey from forest to table is a testament to human ingenuity. We shape nature's gifts to meet our needs, blending tradition and technology. Next time you enjoy a treat or decorate a tree, remember the journey it took. Think of the farmers, workers, and processes behind it all. By understanding these stories, we find wonder in everyday things. Every product has a past, and it's a story worth knowing. Appreciate the journey, because it's everywhere you look.